Here at 4:42, time for traffic and weather on the twos.
You
Cold out
wanted
there.
to do a Matthew McConaughey right there.
All right. When's it going to get warmer?
You know what? Soon.
Yeah.
But it's cold out there right now. So, yeah, make sure that you're all right with layers and love because it's just cold. And watch your step. I mean, there's a lot of ice out there. These are air temperature readings. Wow. 14, you know, Dana and Anthony right there on the teens. Look at 14. 5. What? 2 below. I'm not talking a fine town in Mississippi. I'm actually talking, that's an air temperature reading of 2 below 0. So, yeah, make sure your cat has a hat. And Eva made soup for everybody. But the concern is, I mean, beautiful skies with sun later today. But this, you know, less kind of, you know, you think about it, well, what's that all about? If you can see that, that's ice. I mean, if surfaces aren't treated, it is going to be slippery. So, yeah, you got to watch your step, watch out behind the wheel, but then layer up. I mean, look at the change. It's 16 degrees colder than it was this time yesterday in the city. But, I mean, I know you see it. You see that? 32 degrees colder in Sparta. The wind chill right now in Sparta is 4 below 0. And you know what? Air temperatures, you know, some of these reporting stations, it's 0, maybe 1 or 2 degrees below 0. So, you know, we're going to try to get to about 34. That's still shy of normal. That means that in the shade, that ice is going to stick around. You'll see some melting today. At least that's not 24. You're in the ballpark. Nowhere near the record of 66 set back in 1990. Sun's up 7:17. That'll be fine. Sun sets at 4, 5, 6. In order there. Make sure your sunglasses are in order because you'll need them. We see a system out to sea. We won't see much from that. A break through the Carolinas after thousands of flights were canceled yesterday through Charlotte, and they can barely get around in the south. Futurecast, we're fine. Into the afternoon, you'll see the sun. A few more clouds north and west, but that's about it. And then Chris wants to know, when's it going to warm up? Start to feel it Friday. And then, I mean, for a January weekend, Saturday and Sunday will be nice. 34, sunny and cold. We'll start to see a shift in the wind, and then gradually big ridge of high pressure builds in, and then the numbers build. Going to feel like March on Saturday. Some of the models cool us a bit on Sunday. We'll try to hang on to the upper 40s to right around 50 before we see a chance of some wet weather. That would be wet with these numbers above normal first part of next week as well.